Hello, this is Tox. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you an easy hot chocolate drink recipe. And for this, I'll be using milk, heavy cream, some cocoa powder, dark chocolate, and sugar to taste. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. And first, I'm going to be shredding my chocolate bar. Feel free to use any dark chocolate bar you have at home. And this is actually 100 gram. So I'm using 100 gram of dark chocolate for this recipe. And for the others, I'm using 2 cups of milk. And my heavy cream is actually 200 gram. So I'll be using all, and for sugar I'll be using just 2 spoons of sugar and 1 spoon of cocoa powder. And if feel free to use any spice you have. You can use cinnamon or vanilla flavor. And I have vanilla sugar at home. Since I don't have pure vanilla flavor, I will be using that just to give it a taste of vanilla. And once your chocolate is fully shredded, all you need to do is melt it. You can melt it by placing it in a pot of hot water, or you use the microwave. Once everything is set, all you need to do is add them into your pot one after the other. I started with my milk, then my heavy cream, cocoa powder, sugar, and my vanilla sugar or vanilla flavor, whichever you have. And if you are using cinnamon, you can as well drop your cinnamon here and bring everything to a boil. Also, do not forget to stir. And at this stage, you can go ahead and add in your melted chocolate, and do not forget to stir. If you are new on my channel, kindly subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can be notified when I post new video. And do not forget to give this recipe a try. Are you a chocolate lover, or are you a fan of hot chocolate drink? Let me know in the comment section what special ingredients or what special method you use in making your own drink. Do not forget to like and share the video. And that will be all for today. See you some other time with another healthy recipe or yummy recipe, or what the case may be. Bye.